My name is Lyra McKee. I'm a freelance journalist from Northern Ireland. You may know me as the face of The Muckraker, a blog about investigative journalism. My passion in life is for investigative journalism, but I came into the industry at a time when there didn't seem to be any places left for people like me, someone who wanted to go off and chase a story for months and ask questions and find answers and try and find out what was really going on beneath the surface. I really need your help. I need more time to keep asking questions.